Will that be something you can email to me, or do I need to draw my own?
I'll email it to you. Hi, Jennifer Webb.
Noah Pollard.
We're doing lab number 8, starting with drawing potato chip bag. I'm gonna rip it. See the layers? Can you see layers?
Yeah, it looks like just two, like the outer layer and then like the white layer. You look really close.
All right. So like a greasy outer layer and then the white layer. I feel like there's a coating on the inside too. Because like you can see here where they're like different colors.
Yeah, it's like a
So like
plastic
3
line.
layers. It's impossible to see. I protest. All right, we're drawing 3 layers. This is where I go to find.
That's a lesson is trying real hard on it. Not a lot. Oh, hey, we got a power clip. What happened to the score? Holy crap.
Cut up your bag. Wait, I think this is how we see the layers. Step 2.
Carefully examine how many layers make up your bag. No, because that's saying make it 1 layer.
Okay.
So we're going to draw layer 1. As I break my leg. 2, 3. Outside, middle, inside, waxy. Maybe the outside was waxy.
And like a shiny plastic in there. Metal.
I think it's probably like aluminum. Foily.
Possibly.
Alright. Here you go. Brilliant drawing of the layers. There's 3 of them. Ta-da! We'll take a picture and put it in our lab. Alright. Cut your chip bag so that it is a single layer. Hold the cut bag up to a flashlight with the shiny foil side facing you.
So if you can get it in.
Well, this is where we figure out how. Our chip bag. Any ideas?
So let's cut the chip bag so that well, there's like pictures here, but they're very small.
This is where we increase size of picture.
Hey, we got 100 behind us. We're getting messed up.
Is it just like this? It looks like it's just like this. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Like this. Going back to step 2. Cut your chip bag so it is a single layer. Hold the cut bag up to a flashlight with the shiny foil side facing you. And the side of the writing facing the flashlight. So flashlight's on this side. There you go.
Don't mind me.
Hi. Can you see the printing on the package?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, you can. Now write a letter A on the foil side of the bag with a marker.
Oh, this is the foil side, though.
No, the foil side's the side that you were looking
So we
at.
need a marker, then. I didn't know that. That was in the list of things.
Guys. This is where I go, where's the marker?
Does anybody have markers? Yes. Markers.
Sharpies?
Pens.
Pins work.
Guess what?
I shall return momentarily.
I'm gonna stay here. You can watch me eat chips. Or drop chips. Dropping chips works too.
This dude's using the speed.
We should have read the instructions before we started, but we didn't. Which is bad.
I don't play it, bro. Oh, where your dad been using it?
Better? Alright. Here goes drawing. Thanks.
The letter A?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this doesn't work.
I might have a pen in my eye. I don't think I do.
Let's see if it works.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, I didn't actually play that. I cleared it out. You know, like,
I went ahead and did it, and yes, you can see the A.
You can see it?
Yeah.
What? I mean, why can't you see it if it's on this side, in my opinion?
No.
Oh. Oh, yeah, you can see it. Totally see it. Yes, I think the bag is made of aluminum. Carefully examine your empty candy bar wrapper. See how many layers make up your bag. It's a wrapper, not a bag. Edit your paper.
I got it. Yeah.
How many layers?
Well, on the right side, unless you
See, I think the answer should be 3 again, but I don't know.
I feel like
One of the layers is the sealing medium for the seams.
No.
Oh, we have to count the seam?
I don't know what that means.
It's talking about, like, look at this part. How many layers do you think is there? Counting, like, the glue that holds it together.
I don't know how many do you think, because I have no idea what we're talking
There's
about.
got to be at least 3. Alright, we're going to go with waxy outer layer.
Glue.
We're going to go with aluminum. Foil type stuff. Glue adhesives. I just totally spelled that wrong. Another layer of aluminum. No, you can't. Go. Alright. You got 5 layers. Technical drawing. There. Brilliant. See how many layers make up a bag. The package of ketchup is actually quite complex. Oh dear. Layers in one of these packages are as follows.
Oh,
5 layers. Fair enough.
it's like an ogre.
The reason that this is more complex is because the acid needs to be protected from the oxygen, which is why the aluminum foil layer is necessary. So there's not aluminum foil layer in the others. Alright, fair enough. The inner polyethylene film is needed in order to heat the sealed packet. Heat seal the package. That makes much more sense. The next layer protects the aluminum foil from the acid in the ketchup, as aluminum is highly reactive with acids. Inside the package is the ketchup and some
I think
gas.
this can still have aluminum.
True. Push on your packet, but don't open it. How does it feel?
I mean,
Squishy?
yeah, there's resistance because there's air.
Squishy air resistance.
Well, there's not a lot of air, obviously, because that's the
Yeah.
whole point, is to keep oxygen out. But, it's definitely not, like, vacuum sealed or anything.
Alright. Stick it in tap water.
The whole thing?
Yep. Does it float or sink? It floats, which means there's air in it. Optional step. If your package floated in the water, fill your empty bottle with water until it's almost full and put your unopened packet in the bottle. Screw on the cap and then squeeze your bottle. What happens? Alright?
As I thought we were supposed to use a water bottle.
It just says bottle.
It'd probably be easier with this one.
Go for it.
So
I'm
what
gonna
are we
eat more
doing?
chips. Filling it almost full with water. Till it's almost full. And put your unopened package in the bottle. Unopened package. Currently dripping. Okay. Putting. I feel like it needs more water. Like almost. And then screw on the cap and then squeeze your bottle. Oh, it sinks. Well, aren't we fancy?
Magic.
This is a Cartesian diver. Oh, we did something like this in the library. I remember this. Also, my thing's not that. Let me grab my charger. We are not prepared for this lab. No. We've done like hour-long labs before. Alright. Let's see what's next. Part 2. Now fill your empty soda bottle and juice bottle to the brim with tap water. How do we get that thing out now? Oh dear. Good luck. He's gonna try to get that out. Part 2. Empty soda bottle and juice bottle to the brim with tap water. There you go. Juice to the brim. I'm gonna put the lid on for now so I know what I'm doing. He's failing miserably and I'm not gonna do any better, so I'm not gonna try.
There we go. Got that. Alright, now what? Do I need to fill this up with tap water again?
And then we have to measure the volume of each water several times and record. Is there a chart for this?
How do I measure volume again?
With the graduated cylinder.
Ah.
Gosh, that dude was red, straight up red.
So just how many milliliters?
Yep. Which one are you gonna soda? It's more than 100. More than 200.
210?
Oh, more than 210.
310?
Mm-hmm.
410? 510?
This is so much fun.
610? 1110? 810?
I understand it's important, but sometimes science is really boring. We're about to hit the 1,000 mark.
1,000 and some.
Can we not just say it's 2 liters?
200 and some. It's because it's not 2 liters. This is a 1.45 liter level.
Fair enough.
1.25.
I think you're right. Yeah, because I straight up saw him shoot you.
13.
Gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
1,300 and some. $1,325.
1,325 milliliters of water. Guess what? You get to do it 2 more times.
Okay.
Go ahead and do the juice, and I'll fill this up with water.
This thing like raises up. $310.
The juice has less. It only has 310. I approve of the juice bottle.
Now, you really filled this thing to the brim.
It's set to the brim.
Where you at? Oh, God.
210. 320. 120.
Cheating.
520. What?
You cheating the system or something?
No, I said 420. I was like, 420.
I don't get it.
620.
620?
Well, I mean, I'm still going.
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
just counting it. Like,
You said it in such a way that like it felt like I was screwed for that.
850.
Handheld Noble Bomb.
160.
Yes. They were all full health.
1,060.
Right? Neat little road.
1,160.
Because I'm a freaking.
1,160.
How many are in this list?
1,350.
Oh, yeah. There it
Is that the final count?
Yeah.
1350. Alright. Now you get to do the juice again.
No.
200. About 350.
320?
350. we'll say.
315. Have the juice again. Or the soda again. It's 315 for the juice.
100. 200. 300.
Dude, I'm just freaking wrecking it right now.
100.
You know what's gonna happen, right?
600. 1,000. That's all you want. But it's not
Trying
gonna
to
change.
change.
Oh, that wasn't too. That's all the gas we should
$12.50.
12.50. Sweet. Juice time. You say 12.50 or 13.50?
$12.50 or $13.50. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, we get to do this some more.
Not yet.
We'll have
Hey.
to do the boiling water one.
The next step said stick the empty bottles in the sink. Take the empty bottles and place in a tub or sink and carefully pour boiling water on them. That requires we boil water.
Yes. How much water do you think we'll need to boil?
I don't know. Enough to pour over them 3 times, I think. Oh, no, just once. Actually, no, 4 times. We're gonna have to do this multiple times. Yeah, 1. You are 1. Alright. Boy.
Now we wait for boiling water. We'll just be conservative with pouring it so we don't have to do this over and over again.
Well, figure I can start filling up the pan with boiling water too. For oh. Your apartment is a mess.
Go home and get the command.
It's got 2 mobility.
That's a pistol that shoots shotgun shells.
Yeah. And you can move the butts to try to recover. So you can't.
Oh, we just have to pour boiling water once. And then we measure the volume of the tap water after they've shrunk. Because I'm assuming they shrink.
I bet they shrink in cold and expand in water. Or in heat.
Yes, they expand in water. I don't know, maybe. He thinks they shrink. He thinks they expand. I think they shrink.
Yeah, it's a contest for the ages.
So we're not betting money on it. So I mean,
Yeah.
That's
I know that's what you do if you can't open like a glass ketchup bottle, and
Mm-hmm.
you put it like on a stovetop,
Oh yeah.
and you can pop the thing off.
That means it shrinks.
Or it expands and presses the bottle cap off.
Or it shrinks and makes it easier to take the bottle cap off.
I still need this.
Nope, throw it away. Wait,
Wait.
let me make sure there's not questions.
Oh gosh, they are all over there. Okay. Can you-
Nope, there's not questions. You can throw the chip bag away too. Considering we ripped it open. Mercilessly.
Like, do you remember that trend going around of people eating oranges in the shower?
No.
Yeah, it was a big thing for like
What?
a solid like month or two. Good Mythical Morning even did a video on it. Like, there was this whole big thing, people talking about like how great it is, like how like it helps stress and like all these other things to like freeze an orange, at least get it like really cold,
Uh-huh.
like inside the peel, so don't peel it, and then go to the shower and like take your shower, and like as you're showering, just like tear it open and like eat it.
Oh, no, no.
You don't have to worry about getting messy or anything because it just washes off. And Rhett and Link did a thing on it. They were like, you know, like I don't know about all of these like benefits that people are talking about. He goes, but it was pretty like releasing and like kind of primal to just like rip it open and like start eating it without having to worry about like a mess or anything.
Fair enough. Okay. I don't like oranges, so.
Also, your apples are still here if you want those.
Yeah. We have more apples going, but yes, apples. Yay. Apples. Where did I put my aluminum foil? That was like the aluminum foil.
On top of the toaster, it's a great place to leave them. Aluminum foil.
Well, I mean, theoretically, you would move it before you use the toaster. I think you all are more intelligent than that.
Hopefully.
They are all over.
What? Am I thinking things about you that I shouldn't be thinking?
Around the corner.
Hey, you said it, not me.
Oh, no, you did. Someone came through.
Also, that could be
They're
construed.
boys, don't assume.
Things that could be construed as being sexual. I'm offended.
Oh, I apologize.
This is 2018. You're not allowed to offend anyone.
They're- yeah,
Yet everything you say is offending.
I'll have you know I identify as a chipmunk.
Explain some of the weird eating habits around here.
You ain't lying. Abortions
You're a mess. Literally and figuratively. Physically and mentally. Oh, it's a mess. I don't know how I stand it. Boil! Boil! If I tell it to, it does it.
I remember my grandma.
Mm-hmm.
My grandma was a big like gardener and stuff,
Mm-hmm.
and she had this one like plant thing that wouldn't grow. No matter what she did, it just wouldn't grow. So she and she's a big painter. So she gets out like a flat rock and starts painting on it, and she paints on it like a flower and like the sun and a tree, and on it in like pretty cursive painted handwriting says "grow, grow," and then it grew.
Alright. That's all it takes.
So what now? We just like pour it over the bottle.
Mm-hmm. Wait, let me get the thing.
Let you get the wet part.
It looks like shrinking to me.
Yeah, it does look like shrinking.
It's shrinking! I win! Yay!
Congrats, you win nothing.
I win the satisfaction of knowing I was right.
I'm fine with that.
You would need to pour some over the apple juice one too.
Yeah, I know. I'll leave some. Alright. That's satisfactory. Where's the apple juice?
It's right there. That one doesn't look like it's shrinking.
Well, it's also a smaller bottle, so it's gonna shrink less.
Watch your side, watch your side.
Shrink!
All right.
Prove me right! It's also a thicker bottle.
Yeah, it is.
Well,
Stiffer.
that's true.
All right.
Now we let them cool. You have so much waiting in this video. You must be having so much fun with us.
Oh, shoot.
God, it's so hot in here from that stove.
Place them in a pour while let cool. Did something happen? Yes. Something happened. After the bottles have cooled, fill them to the brim with tap water again and measure the volumes that each hold several times and record. You're having so much fun with us. We're so having fun with science.
So heavy. For science.
I feel like I can do 5 million other homework assignments while we do these videos just because there's so much waiting around. What happened to the bottles when you poured boiling water on them? They shrunk it.
They shrank.
They
Shranking.
Shrank.
Shrinking. Sounds like a cereal.
The 2-liter bottle shrank.
It's a 1.
The
1.25.
soda bottle
Get your facts straight.
shrank
girl.
more noticeably than the.
Watch that tank's off.
Wow. Is it cool already?
Yeah.
Sweet. It just looks smaller. More noticeably than the apple juice bottle. Even now, the juice one's not very loose. The juice one's like just sort of existing. I don't think this one really shrunk at all. We shall see. We're doing the measuring thing again. We just love doing it.
Oh, come on.
5, 10. 6, 10. 7, 10. Oh, 720. We have a change. 820. Will we hit 1,000? The answer is yes.
I say it was at 820, 890, 9 flat. 900.
900. Woo! We didn't hit 1,000. Do it 2 more times. I feel like there's somewhere along the line of those questions someone's going to ask us to take the average of those. Eight, 10. 9, 10. We're hitting new records. He doesn't spill at all.
990.
990. Aren't we fancy? Alright. Uno más.
water might be re-expanding the bottle a little bit.
It's possible.
I say 800 twice.
No. You did 700, 800. You're at 800.
Um, 990.
Now for the juice bottle.
Yeah, I don't think this will have changed as much.
I don't either. If any.
$280.
280? Yeah, that's a little bit of a shrinkage.
We're going flat. Our numbers are lower.
They are lower. Not by much. I mean, you had a 310, a 315, and a 330. Even a 280 and a 300.
Consistently lower. $290.
Hmm?
$290.
That's all the steps. So I'm going to leave and go do questions. Bye.